Hi, what's up everyone? Sagar here, and in this video, I'm gonna discuss how you can copy and paste contents of a protected Google Sheet. So currently, this is a protected Google Sheet. I'm not able to download it, and I'm not able to copy any of the columns or rows. So if I do something like this, and if I paste it over, let me remove all this. If I paste it over here, it doesn't work. All right. So now how do you get over it? Now, in order to get over it, you need to go to the URL and see this edit, but just get rid of this and replace it with HTML view. Now this should open up an HTML view. What you're going to do now is do a right click, click inspect, and inside this inspect, start searching for something that looks like Sheets viewport. And in this particular div, there's a class which says doc shared disabled image copy doc shared no select. Now you can double click here and remove this class and press enter. All right, now what you have essentially done is you have allowed everything to be copied. So you're just gonna, whatever you want to copy, just do Control C and go over here, Control V. It's working fabulously. So yeah, so that's how you get over the restrictions of copying or downloading a Google Sheet that is protected. So follow and subscribe or whatever for more such videos. I'm gonna see you next time.